We will see session number 8, inserting a new body, creating points. This task shows the various methods for creating points. This task shows you how to insert a new body into the part. When your part includes several bodies, you can then associate these bodies in a different ways. Refer to the tasks showing the different ways of attaching bodies in the part design, user guides, adding bodies, assemblies bodies, intersecting bodies, removing bodies, trimming bodies. To obtain the final shape of the part, open any CAD part document. This is the initial part composed of the part body and two bodies. Click the body icon. If the icon is not visible in the application, you can display the required toolbar by using View, Toolbars and Insert. The result is immediate. The application displays this new body referred to as body 3 in the specification tree. It is the underlined indicating that is the active body. Now the image is associated with the bodies in the tree differs from the image. Representing the body, a blue gear as well as the yellow plus or minus sign have been added to the green gear. These signs indicate the polarity of the body. This new image lets you quickly tell a body from a part body. This is especially if that one has been renamed. You can construct this new body using the diverse commands available in this workbench or in other workbenches. You will notice that the part body and body 3 are autonomous. The operation you will accomplish on any of the will not affect the integrity of the other one. Now, if you wish to combine them, refer to the task showing the different ways of attaching bodies in the part designs user guides. Adding bodies, assembly bodies, intersecting bodies, removing bodies, trimming bodies. You can see this is a specification tree. You can see body 1, body 2, body 3. Understanding tools toolbar. There are tools are there in the downward. We will see in the Catia also. Update all, manual update mode. Create 3D axis systems are there. Show historical graph is there. Grid sub toolbars are there. 2D visualization mode sub toolbars are there. And creating masks, creating datums, creating offset surfaces, inserting elements, keep no keep subtoolbars, display in the part design user guides and initiation subtoolbars. And for measuring purpose, measuring minimum distance and angles, measuring properties, measuring inertia. We will see in AutoCAD. Catia. Let's see in Catia. You can see here in the downward there is a lot of commands are there here manual and all this. We will see firstly measuring purpose. Select the first one and select second one. You can see 50.397 mm is there. Cancel. And the second one is the measure item is there. Select this one and select face. You can see plane area is a 0.004 mm. This is called as a measure item. And third one is a measure inertia. You can see this one. There is a lot of information out there. Area, mass, surface. You can see in specification tree there is a lot of commands are there. Area, surface, mass, whatever the had these some specific in present in a specification also. Can this one is just a viewing purpose. You can see This one is activated. Edges is a thickness is increased. After that, next one is a you can see this one is a reference line is showing color with color. You can see 2D one, and this one is a lot of commands are there. We want this one first one, and there is a isometric views are there. First one, this one is activated. Isometric is used for viewing different faces. This one is you can see here. This is a normal view. This is a zoom out, zoom in. This is a pan purpose, and this one is moving purpose we are using. And this one is a you can see zoom in or out. So all the selected geometry optimally fills the available spaces. You can see here. This one is a design table is there. This one is log. This is the formula. This is the URL or comments you can give. You can see there is a material is activated in specification tree. We are just giving the name as a ABC part number 9 and click on OK. You can see ABC is coming in a specification tree. This one is a color just now applied. Kitchen floor is there. And this one is create a new documents. This one is open an existing document. This one is a saves purpose. This one is a print. You can see here is a undo, and it is a what is this means if you are not no, don't know about this one and this one, you can just click on here. You can see pad creates a pad from an open or closed profiles. This one is useful for unknown persons or newer beginner persons, beginner student. You can see, I'm just clicking on here, creates an axis systems. We will see axis systems. You can see here, render, sky is there. And again click, you can see drawing area shape. And we will activate the axis system, X, Y, Z. We are just taking downward and hide it. Hide again, hide and hide. You can see this one is activated. Okay, today's session is completed. Thank you.